Hello, it's RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. In this video, we'll be learning about asynchronous processing in the native UI version of the official tutorial. So, asynchronous processing plays a crucial role in providing a smooth user experience. Let's dive into it and learn thoroughly. Coroutines are the standard library provided by Kotlin for asynchronous processing. I believe coroutines are not only common in Kotlin Multiplatform, but also in Android app development for asynchronous processing. In this video, we'll focus on how the official tutorial uses the Coroutines library on iOS and explore its usage. First, let's take a look at the asynchronous processing part written in Kotlin Multiplatform. In the tutorial, the KMP-NativeCoroutines library is used as a bridge between iOS and coroutines. By specifying native coroutines annotation, the tutorial automatically generates code for using Flow for iOS, just like the code shown in the tutorial. Next, let's examine the iOS view model. In the iOS view model, a syncing sequence is used to asynchronously receive values from the flow obtained from greedflow method. The access to greedflow is made possible thanks to native coroutines annotation. We've explored asynchronous processing using the KMP-NativeCoroutines library in the tutorial. Another libraries guide is also available, but we'll discuss it in another video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more Kotlin multi-platform content.